What's going on, everybody? It's the Reformation Keegan, and today I'm doing a mini analysis, not doing a full analysis due to the length and I guess the content of the story in general. But we have Batman, Harley, and Ivy, and this is a really interesting story because one, it's three issues of only like 20 pages, so you're a little more limited in what you can fully analyze. So this one's going to be a little more of a review. It's going to have that theme to it, and it's only probably going to be a couple minutes long. But it's written by the legendary Paul Dini, and it's illustrated by the legendary Bruce Timm. These two guys as a combo in any form of comic is great. This is not, in my opinion, Paul Dini's best work, but it's still very good. And I say that because I think Paul Dini is really good with social justice themes. And Paul Dini can do really good comedy, don't get me wrong, but I think Paul Dini is really good with social and moral justice in his stories. So for example, if you look at Heart of Ice from Batman the Animated Series, the one that he wrote, you can see how that argument I think has a lot more validity to it. This story was fun and it was short, and I think it just got to the point. I liked it because it showed two juxtaposed personalities, and one has a main goal, and the other wants to have another goal that doesn't relate to the other person's main goal, which that creates a lot of friction in the narrative. So Harley in this is presented as someone who has madness to her methods, but not really a method to her madness. So when Poison Ivy goes to go find the zombie root, which is this mythical root that she has to try to find, she's trying to secure it for her own self indulgence. And she leaves to go do it, and she's trying to escape Harley because Harley ends up getting her in trouble in Arkham, things like that. And she's trying to get away from Harley, but Harley will not stop. So if you ever watch like The Wrong Missy on Netflix, you could see where like David Spade, in the plot of the story, is trying to escape this particular woman, but she is resistant, and he tries to escape on a boat, and she ends up running and jumping, and she lands in the water, but she eventually gets on the boat. This scene actually pretty much happens in this story, so that was kind of a funny coincidence because this came out, I believe, in 2004, and The Wrong Missy came out in 2020, so it's a 16-year difference. But other than that, it was a really fun story, that I think showed good comedy, but I've seen Paul Dini also do better.